ever wondered why children just rush to you to show their artworks or crafts or any painting? Why is it so? Why they are so excited? Why they are so happy to show their artworks? Well, we as adults also, whenever we do any painting or artwork, we also feel happy, we also feel accomplished, isn't it? So in this video, I'm going to demystify the science behind art. Hi, this is Vaishali. I'm a fine art professional and art instructor and founder of Artistic City. So let's begin. Brushing Minds, the science of art, from dopamine dances to adaptive minds, a palette of scientific marvels. Welcome to Artistic City. Let's explore how art shapes our brain, makes us feel good and think better. Objective is to understand why art and creativity important in life. Echlin Flores, an artist, says that fostering creativity won't just increase your child's chances of becoming the Picasso, but also help in him/her developmentally, socially and emotionally. Let's see how art and creativity helps an individual. It helps in development of their fine motor skills, social and emotional skills, academic achievement and accomplishments, cognitive skills, and freedom of expression too. Fine motor skills. Now, individuals use various kinds of tools and media like pencils, markers, crayons, pastels, scissors, paper, clay, etc. and involve in activities with their hands. These motions enhance their fine motor development in the early developmental stages of life. Well, let's come to the social and emotional skills. Art is a means for creative self-expression for children as well as for adults. Art can be a wonderful emotional outlet that promotes the personal reflection, communication skills, and self-esteem too. Cognitive skills. This is a very important skill. It has been proved by the experts and doctors that promoting creativity and engagement in artistic activities stimulate the important cognitive areas of the brain. When individuals are encouraged to think creatively, they tend to engage in experimentation, which fosters the critical thinking, problem solving, and innovation skills. It is like learning words to describe their artwork that contributes to the language development. Achievements and accomplishments. The process of creating art cultivates the habits of mind, which is also important for attaining the achievements and accomplishments, whether it's painting, drawing, or sculpting. The act of creating art demands the mental presence. Involving in creative activities helps to focus and concentrate more, which include the persistence to tasks, the attention to the detail, visual thinking, and improvisation. Freedom of expression. Art is an enjoyable means for escaping the restrictions of everyday life and freely engaging in creative expression and thus relieving the stress. Moreover, when you make art or enjoy art, your brain gets excited and releases a happy chemical called dopamine, which is a feel-good neurotransmitter. Summary is, the art serves as a powerful catalyst for building the self-confidence, self-motivation, and creativity. Through artistic expression, individuals gain a sense of accomplishment, boosting their confidence. The process of overcoming challenges in art fosters resilience and self-motivation, instilling a belief in one's ability to overcome obstacles of life. Moreover, engaging in artistic pursuits nurtures the creativity, encouraging individuals to think outside the box and explore innovative solutions. This dynamic combination of self-expression, accomplishment, and problem-solving cultivates a strong foundation for personal growth and a positive sense of self, isn't it? So, what's the wait? Unleash your creative potential by exploring various activities. Well, this is it. I'm going to wind up this video. Hope you like it. If you like, click the like button and subscribe the channel for more. Bye for now.